Today I wanted to talk about any asset you might own that you're selling that has a very low cost basis or has great appreciation. These often create capital gains problems for the seller, especially when you're talking about a business or highly appreciated real estate. A lot of times owners want to cash out and collect, turn that into some sort of other investment or create an income stream or things like that. We do have several options when it comes to those types of problems. One strategy is called a modified installment sale. This works very much like a 1031 exchange. If you're familiar at all with a like-kind exchange, where you're moving money from one asset to another asset that is similar, especially when it comes to 1031 is basically for real estate. A modified installment sale essentially works in a similar fashion in that you are technically moving the proceeds of the sale to an agent, and the agent then goes out and secures a loan which is paid back over 30 years. Now, the seller doesn't see any of this because it kind of occurs under the hood, but this is a very well-known, well-used tax strategy. I'm just giving you a glossed overview. It's not really specific. You really, really a lot depends on your own personal situation. But this is a very good strategy, especially if you have that large asset that you're selling that has a very low cost basis. You can use that to mitigate a lot of those taxes. Now, this is not a strategy that I have in my book, but if you do want to download my book that has 7 of the most common tax saving strategies, just go to go.yourwealthadvocate.com. You can download the book and even be on our mailing list. So there's that one. That's a good strategy that especially a lot of business owners have capital gain problem when selling their business when they want to retire, or if they have that large asset. This also works with investment properties. You can do the same thing. So if you have any specific questions on that, that's one of our capital gain strategy. We have several others that are tied to net worth individuals, high net worth, who have ongoing annual tax problems that they want to mitigate and use, funnel some of the tax savings into retirement. So if you have questions, give me a call, 610-695-8748. You can also make an appointment for a phone call on my website as well. Okay? Talk to you soon. Have a great day.